Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dazzle Yourself. It's been so many days I have posted any video and a lot of my viewers have actually come back to me asking why I'm not sharing the video. So here is my video for all of my viewers. Nowadays, when I interact with people and I ask them how are they feeling and how are they spending their time during this pandemic, some of the people says that this pandemic is actually not good for them. It has brought a lot of sorrows into their lives. And when I ask them how do they spend their time during the entire day, they say either they keep watching the news the entire day or they don't know what to do. They are not aware where their life is heading towards and they feel very sad, they feel very depressed, and you can actually sense the sadness into their voice and from their body language. They say it is very difficult for them to stay home during this entire period and for the entire days. On the other hand, there are some other people who says that this time has actually brought a lot of opportunities, a lot of possibilities for them. They are happy that they are able to spend most of the time with their family, and also this time has actually brought a lot of opportunities for them, that they are able to spend their time in pursuing their hobbies. They are able to spend their time in spending with their families. They are able to spend their time in upskilling themselves. Either they are exercising, either they are reading books, either or some of the other fulfilling and satisfying activity they are doing. Now both the answers actually makes me wonder, few months or years down the line, how do I wish this time to be remembered as in the story of my life? Do I want to look back and see this time and this period full of doom and gloom taking me down, or do I want to look back and see this time as full of opportunities and possibilities taking my life to newer heights? Well, when I introspected, I think my answer is that I really want to look back at this time and to remember this time as very fulfilling one, and wherein I have actually used each and every moment as an opportunity to upskill and upgrade myself, to spend my time with my family, friends, pursuing my hobbies, doing exercise, things I always wanted to do, for which I never had time earlier. However, now I have this time, I can actually make use of this time. The question to all my viewers is, how do you wish to spend this time and to be remembered as into the journey of your life? Think about it.